About a year ago, I found these amazing mid-century Hollywood Regency style lamps at a thrift store. Since then, I haven't been able to find a place for them in my home, so I figured I'd shine them up and hope to get them a second chance. For this, I'll be using Barkeeper's Friend with a little bit of water to create a paste. I tested the metal first and made sure that this was brass, so that way I'm not worried about peeling off any plating. First, I got everything saturated. Then after a few minutes, it was time to start the scrubbing. Honestly, this was such a satisfying process. I had no idea that underneath all of this tarnish was this shiny golden color. It took a lot of elbow grease, but it was like watching it transform right in front of me. Each time I wiped away the dirt, it felt like I was uncovering something shiny and new. Overall, I think I ended up spending over 4 hours cleaning these lamps. There were so many crevices, but it was making such an impact. After completing the cutout stem, it was time to work towards the top. Thankfully, it was polishing up nicely. And this part was even easier than the interior. This is just so satisfying. Then I needed to move up towards these leaves, and these probably took the longest amount of time. There was so much buildup. After all of this work, this is what they looked like. The brass polished up so nicely, and it contrasted the bubble light with the 24 karat gold bands so much better. And of course, I had to turn it on with the lampshade, and it just gives this glowing, beautiful effect. It's hard to believe that this turned into this. And all of this was done with just a little bit of cleaning. This set was ready for the trash. And now it's ready for a second chance. If you'd like to take these home with you, the link is in my bio. Thanks for watching!